Hey everyone, sorry I've been a bit quiet lately. I started a parasite cleanse with Rogershood and I'm using the products of the tinctures they've got. They have a paraffin, metal flush and sustain. So I'm putting each day 3 times 15 drops into water and drink it. But the first thing in the morning I always do on empty stomach is taking 1 pill of cinnamon. This is to avoid the herbs reactions. So my first week, I can tell that I'm a bit more tired than usual. Not sure if it's general spring tiredness or it's down to the products, but I would say it started on day 2, so I would say it's probably the products. And I didn't have any real herx reactions, luckily, and I'm really satisfied with this process so far. I didn't really have issues. So I had slight headaches every now and then, just slight, really slight, so that's really good. And because I expected like worse, you know, I was like eating chocolates as well before, so I expected like a lot more side effects. But before I started this cleanse, I was doing Diatomaceous Earth in the mornings, which is a powder. You buy the food grade one. I have another video you can check out. And so I put that in water again. Just one. I started with 1 teaspoon, and then I built my tolerance up to 1 tablespoon. So I drink 1 tablespoon of Diatomaceous Earth during the day, sorry, in the morning, first thing in the morning. And now I started the parasite cleanse. So because of that, Diatomaceous Earth cleaned out lots of the heavy metals from my body. So that's really good. That's the best way to start your parasite cleanse. And also I opened up my lymphatic drainage. It means I'm moving around a lot. I'm doing bouncing, I'm doing lymphatic massage, which is a really easy, you just step on the lymphatic nodes on your body, on your groins and behind your knees as well for 30 seconds. So it's really easy to do. And you can also do bouncing if you have trampoline, or you can just bounce on its own. So that's really simple to do as well. And yeah, these tinctures have everything what you need. And you don't need anything else. Unless you have a herx reaction, you can have some nettle tea or dandelion root tea. And I also use some liver support in my drinks. So this is another brand. I'm just putting this into water or juice as well. It's really helpful to help your liver, because right now I'm overworking on my liver. Obviously it's eliminating a lot more than usual. And I'm trying to be good with my diet as well. So my diet contains lots of grains and vegetables and some fruits as well. And obviously I'm eating egg as well right now because I'm not vegan at the moment. I'm going back to plant-based after that, to be honest, but right now I'm still vegetarian. So that's that. And yeah, the reason why I'm going back to vegan, to be honest, because I was feeling much more better while I was on the vegan diet for over 10 years, over a decade. And the last 2 years I changed it to vegetarian, and I actually put on some weight. So I don't feel as good as I was when I was vegan. I was less cloggy and stuff, so less bloated. So definitely I'm gonna skip cheese and stuff, because I really like feta cheese, unfortunately. So that's my weakness. So yeah, regarding these products, you can buy these, by the way, there is a link in my bio, and you can use code Mariana for 10% off. But if you just click on the link, it will automatically apply the 10% off, so you don't need to do anything. And I highly recommend this brand because everything is what you need is inside already. So you don't need anything else. You just need this package, these 4 items, and you can start right away. I started 1 day before full moon to be able to peak on full moon. So basically 1 day before full moon, for the next one you can plan ahead. First you do some metal flush with Diatomaceous Earth for a few weeks, and then 1 day before the next full moon you can start the actual parasite cleanse. So you start with this in the morning, one pill in the morning from cinnamon to avoid the herx reactions, and then you eat the breakfast. But before breakfast you drink this 15 drops of each. So 3 times 15 drops, yeah. And you do this 3 times a day for 2 weeks, and then you take a break, let's say for 2 to 3 weeks, so the new eggs can hatch, and then you will be able to attack those as well. So you do for a second round. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have after the 2 weeks gone, so after next week Sunday, I'm gonna have 2-3 weeks off. When I'm gonna recover, I'm just gonna use the liver support tincture and just relax and a little bit build myself up, and then I attack them again. That's how I'm gonna do. And this whole procedure has to be repeated 3-4 times a year, ideally, because that's how much we need it as an ordinary person. But if you have pets around, or let's say you have an animal farm, you definitely need more. So it's crucial, and it's part of the health routine, and we shouldn't have forgotten about this. Obviously, governments are not warning us to do this for a reason, because sickness is a big business. But more or less, we kind of certain that cancer and other autoimmune diseases all rooted back to parasite infestation in the body. So it's really crucial to get rid of the parasites before they get rid of us. I always say this. So so I'm just gonna keep on doing this for until the next week. And and besides side effects, so I had some slight headache, tiredness, and my biggest symptom was actually itchiness on my legs. So my lower legs started to be itchy. Okay, I don't know how. It's like really weird. First I thought it's just like one leg, and then I realized it's both legs. So I don't know if it's a good sign or a bad sign, but so far, it was just a few days and it's gone now. Maybe it's worse by the evening, I would say. If I can think back, it's always in the evenings. So obviously I have parasites, and everybody has, because every living organism has. That's the fact. So we cannot say that we don't have, because otherwise we wouldn't be living creatures. So it's crucial to keep maintaining the numbers of them, and to keep maintaining a healthy lifestyle, because that can actually eliminate them further. So for example, I eat lots of papaya. I eat, let's say, in 1 week, I eat 2-3 times a papaya, which is a big one, so I always half it, and I eat one half in a day, and maybe the following day I eat the other half, or sometimes I eat the whole lot in one go. So papaya is a really great way, and you can eat it with the seeds or without, but either way, it's a really good thing to do. So papaya is crucial. And also you can have pumpkin seeds before meals, and you can have raw garlic. These are all helping you to eliminate the parasites. And you can have also clove tea every now and then. You don't have to have all the time, because you can't drink clove all the time, because it's a blood thinner. So it would be not safe to drink all the time. So I recommend you to do every now and then. But I'm not a medical professional. I'm just an enthusiastic person about health and healthy lifestyle. So, and really digged into this parasite cleanse thing, because I'm really into this, and I'm really passionate about it, because if we can eliminate all those illnesses from our life, then we are winning. That's really important to maintain a good health, because if there is no health, you can't enjoy anything. So even if you have money, who cares about money if you have no health? So it's really important to do the parasite cleanse. And I'm going to update you at the end next week. I'm keep doing short videos, and I might do a little cut from that, to be honest. But overall, this is what I'm doing: bouncing, lymphatic massage every day, moving a lot, going for walks, not sitting on my couch, because it's really important. If you don't have the lymphatic drainage, like kind of like flowing, you don't have the movement, then this elimination is harder for the body. So you need to have also lots of water. I'm trying to drink more like herbal teas and water, and some fruit juice as well, but I cut out for now the fruit juice. I was just eating papaya really, and lemon. I like lemon water. For example, you can drink lemon water. This is really good to flush your body in the morning. So for example, if you had all these drops in the morning, after that you can have a hot lemon water to start the day. So this is my health routine, and I will update you at the end what I've noticed. So far I haven't seen any worms, to be honest, but I haven't been really looking every day. But my bowel movements were kind of like normal or like regular. Haven't seen any changes. So maybe I have to go deeper, to be honest, because that could be a sign that I'm not strong enough on attacking them, so I need to go further. Like I have friends, for example, who really cut out everything from their diet. Right now I'm still having like hot chocolate. For example, I was drinking hot chocolate because I'm drinking cocoa powder, so it's like real cocoa, real hot chocolate, and there is some sugar content to it. And I eat fruit as well. Somebody doesn't recommend fruit. I'm not comfortable with that. I do like fruits, and I believe it's part of the health routine. So each to their own. Everybody can try different ways. Maybe in the next round I'm gonna be more strict. That's my plan. But right now I was having a soft approach. I was just like testing myself, how's it going, and wanted to try these products because they are really well known and really popular in America. So, and honestly, so far so good. I expected a lot more herx reactions, and I expected lots of more side effects, but so far so good. And let's see after the 2 weeks if I will feel more energetic and uplifted, because once I stop it, the tiredness should be gone. So right now I'm just like a bit like sluggish, a little bit like but at the end of the 2 weeks, hopefully it will go away, and I will update you on that. How did it go? How did it work out at the end? So until then, please follow my content if you like my videos, and support me with a like, or comment something if you have any questions regarding the parasite cleanse. I'm happy to reply to anything, and follow me for more. See you in the next one. Bye.